Say your chipmunk song.
Oh my god. Hula hoop, it can hardly stand to wait. Oh, Christmas, don't be late. Oh, Christmas, don't be late. Oh man. So, where'd you get that? Oh my god. No way. Oh my god, I saw that teacher next too. Oh my god. No, $30? Oh my god.
Make penis list. And then certain parts. I'll make a chipmunk and then Bowser. Okay, no. Chipmunk can be Dominic asking questions, and Bowser can be Miss Lewis answering them.
Miss Lewis, I have a question. How do you, do a cosine square 2x plus the negative tangent plus 4? Can you help me with that one, Miss Lou?
Oh, that's just the tangent x. Blah, ha, ha, ha.
Okay. Miss Lewis, I have another question. What's the trigonometric, factor or something? Do what? Like if I had cosine 2x and... Oh, it's really late. It's like 12. This is how late it is, Miss Lewis. It's 12:07. I just don't feel like giving it right now. We're showing her this. Don't take that the wrong way, Miss Lewis.
You know that sometimes you have those days where you just don't want to.
No, you know what, Miss Lewis? Everybody has those days. Everybody makes mistakes. Nobody's perfect.
Miss Lewis.
Miss Lewis?
I have a real question.
I have a real question. Oh my god, this is how we're going to study with her. Okay, Miss Lewis.
You're always with. We drew your picture.
We drew your picture. Wait, Miss Lewis, wait.
Don't close it.
Don't close it. Okay, wait, Miss Lewis, wait. I gotta ask my question quick. 5? Okay, what is this? Find the slope to the...
He doesn't actually want to watch. He
Right.
actually needs to know this. Because he legit don't know.
I don't.
Miss Lewis, what the peanut is this polar crap?
Okay, we didn't learn any of this polar crap. Okay, just gonna be honest. Okay, show her, Billy, show her.
Instead of studying for the exam,
This is what we drew for you at 12:07. Wait, check the time. It's 12:08.
it says, to Miss Lewis, we drew you, and okay,
See, it.
you can explain it. It says,
Here's a track thing, because you and Billy get track. Here's ruler. When you yell at me, you really want to hit me with a ruler.
No, it's a trophy, Miss Lewis.
No, that's a trophy, but this is a ruler.
Can you read the year? It's 1994.
Wait, and look it up. From Billy and the end. Okay.
Okay, bye, Miss Lewis. See you when I fail the exam.
Oh my god. We were... Okay, Miss Lewis, look at how far we are on a note sheet.
Want a Skittle, Miss Lewis? That's what you're gonna do. Miss Lewis, I'm really sorry that we didn't finish the trophies today. Megan, doesn't know how to do anything with the no calculator. Now Nick's trying to do the chipmunk.
You want to sing, Nick? Let's watch this.
You have to sing the chipmunk song.
I want a hula. The song they do at the beginning of the movie.
I don't know, you should look that up.
You should totally look that up.
Okay.
Time out. Dinosaurs.
No, you have to sing the song. Sing the Christmas
You have to
song.
look it up.
No. We'll sing the Christmas
Let's
song.
just
Then
sing
we'll look
sweet
it up and edit it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Liz. Happy birthday. Hi, Miss Lewis. This is Dom. I just wanted to say goodbye. Because I'll never see you again. And then, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna be so sad. Billy, stop it. And I'm just like, I just need you, Miss Lewis. Because I don't know when I'm going to have you. Because I need you. It's really late. So, yeah. Oh man. That's what I did. I can't even. I don't know how to do any of this polling crap. We just started the calculator. Okay. We found out I can say a bad word. That's all. Oh my God, Miss Lewis. Miss Lewis, wait. Okay, wait. Miss Lewis, can you change locations? Can you see the people? That's all. Miss Lewis, say bye to Nick. Anyway. What are we gonna do? I still don't understand this bull crap idea. What? I didn't tell you. Why? Why wouldn't you tell me? All you do is try really hard to do this right now.